I am hungry.
I go to McDonald's. I look at the menu. I want a burger.
I order food.
I pay for my food.
I wait for my food. Ah,
Here is your food. I have my food.
I eat my burger.
I drink my cola.
I am full. I leave the restaurant. I go shopping. I enter the shop.
I look at clothes. I like this shirt.
I try the shirt. I try shirt. I buy this. I pay for it. I have a shopping bag. I am happy.
There are many shops.
I see nice shoes.
I take a photo.
I sit and relax.
I eat ice cream.
It is a nice day.
I enjoy my day.